Hi guys, so we are going to the mountains again today, and it will be quite an adventure.
Да.
So we arrived, and this is project called 1960. It was created by a Russian artist in 2019 as part of a new kind of art. Looks really nice, and if you're higher up or in helicopter, it looks supposedly very amazing. So. So we are going to explore a little these streets in the mountains. So follow us. We have Ibis Hotel here, 4 stars. As you can see, it's really nice looking. And another Novotel.
But as you can see, a lot of foreign names. Urban Ibis, Novotel. Mostly foreigners, not Russian.
No, I guess just most of the big brands like Hilton left, and that kind of companies, but others remained.
Enjoy that we are going with the lift. And this is your colleague, you see?
So we are back in our room, and later we are going to sauna. So see you then.